So let's start coding our forms, and we can start with the main form. Now this form simply will open other forms, so this is basically just a navigational form. So I'm just going to start clicking all these navigational links. I'll start with the exit. And here we will simply exit the form, so we'll close everything. So next I'll create the event for the new appointment. And here we want to, of course, go to our new appointments form. However, what we want to do here is, after we come back from this form, after the user enters a new appointment, we want to redirect to the appointments form. So we will display the appointments, including the one that the user just entered. And to do that, we will capture the dialog result that is either OK or cancel if the user decides to cancel the addition of the appointment. So I'm going to create a new instance of the form, and it's going to be the new instance of FRM new appointment form. And now in an if statement, I will determine whether the user click OK or cancel. So I will do an if statement, and if the frm.showDialog equals dialog result OK, then the user entered new appointment, and we want to redirect to the appointments form. So we'll go to frm appointments.showDialog. Now notice that there's something wrong here in the if statement. The frm is underscored, and it says that it's being used before it has an assigned value. And that's because I created a variable for the appointment form, but I wanted to actually create a new instance of that form. So it's frm as new appointment form. Alright, so let's do the next one, and this one is to view appointments. And here we simply want to open the appointments form. So we'll go to frm appointments.showDialog. Very simple. Now let's do the same for the customers. I'll click new. And I'm going to copy all this from the new appointment, because we want to do the same thing. After the user enters the customer, we want to redirect to customers form. We don't want to go back to the main form. So our new instance of the form will be frm new customer. And if the form returns OK result, then we'll go to frm customers form. And finally we have the view all customers, and we'll simply open the frm customers form. And this is it for our main form. Like I said, this basically just opens all the other forms that we need in order to perform the operations. So next, let's start coding the customers form.